On today's episode, I'm bringing you to Mont-Tremblant, Quebec for Destination Porsche. What's happening? So I just drove the 993 700 kilometers from Toronto to this beautiful Laurentian mountainside to check out Destination Porsche. Unfortunately, it's been raining most of the day, but I'm going to try my best to show you guys around. There are 3 events happening this weekend. There's the Porsche Classic Restoration Competition, GT3 Cup Challenge Finale, Porsche Golf Cup. So let's start with the Porsche Classic display and a little bit of background. So basically, Porsche Canada has put on a classic restoration competition for dealerships across Canada. 12 participated and they announced the winners yesterday. So let's check out some of the cars, all finished and complete. Check it out. Okay, so let's do a quick walkthrough here, starting with the FAF entry. It's a 1962 356B. It wasn't quite completed, so as you can see, it's currently on a rolling dolly, completely stripped out with the engine out. But check out this craftsmanship, it's gorgeous. Moving along here is the winning car. This is Porsche Centre Saskatchewan's 1964 356C. It says Carmen here on the poster, but I'm not quite sure. Maybe you guys can post in the comments why this one's called that, even though it doesn't have the notchback rear window, which I was under the impression was a big characteristic of that coach builder. And moving along here, we have the soft window 1967 Targa S from Porsche Centre Victoria. Another beautiful, beautiful car. Here is the Porsche Canada Classic Ambassador. It's a Guards Red on Cashmere 1994 968 Cabriolet. It's a very nice car. Actually, I've had the pleasure of driving it this summer and it was a very cool experience. And here's the whole row of the remaining entries, and I'm just going to blast right through them with you guys. So first up, we have Porsche Centre Langley and their amazing black on black 1980 Porsche 911 SC Coupe. Beautiful restoration, looks so minty fresh. Right next to it is the Porsche Centre Winnipeg entry, which is a 1983 911 SC Coupe. This one has a whale tail and some European side markers. And I really love this gold color with the Fugue wheels, very cool. Right here is Porsche Centre Oakville's entry. It's a beautiful 1987 944 Turbo. I actually drove this car as well last month during a video shoot I was on. Also, incredible car, feels brand new. Right here is an awesome 1988 944 Turbo from Mark Motors Porsche in Ottawa. And it has a really nice paint job. It appears to be modified a little bit with this front nose piece taken from a 924, and of course the teardrop mirrors, which are obviously from the 90s. And moving along to Porsche Centre Vancouver, it's a 1988 Carrera Coupe. It's a beautiful restoration, and again, it looks like a Euro spec with the side markers. Downtown Porsche with their Arena Red Carrera 4S 993. So nice, and it appears that all of the 993 entries across the board are equipped with the hardback sports seats, but it seems that most, if not all, Canadian spec 993s had hardbacks, so not overly surprising. And moving along here is the Porsche Centre Calgary 1997 Carrera 4S. This one is similarly spec'd to mine, minus the seats and of course the interior color. What an amazing looking car. And then Porsche Centre North Toronto with their incredible 1997 Carrera in a metallic black. Super nice. And then the last entry is the Porsche Centre Louison 1998 Carrera Cabriolet. I love this blue color, also the blue top. It's a very 90s spec. And that's the walkthrough. Again, congrats to Porsche Centre Saskatchewan. What a build. All right, so I'm back. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful sunny day here, and it's the next day. Yesterday, the weather was absolutely abysmal, and it was tough for me to show you guys exactly what's going on here at Destination Porsche. I'm gonna spend the time here, walk around the paddock. Who wants to check out the Taycan Turbo S? Let's go check it out. Let's check out some of the paddocks here with the GT3 Cup. The cars are just going to be staging for the last race on Sunday very soon, and it's the last race of the season, so very exciting, and let's check it out. All right, let's head up to the Porsche Corral where they've got all the Porsches parking. There's a bunch of classics up there. My 993's up there as well, so let's see who showed up. So I walked up here to the Corral, and everyone's staging up for the parade lap around the circuit. See if I can capture the rollout. I'm not gonna be participating. My car is over there. Here looking as dirty as it's ever been. All right, so let's just walk through here, check out some of these cars. We've got this beautiful Carrera 2 964. Of course, mine C4S. Got a couple of 911s, which is pretty sweet. Another C4S. A little bit more stock looking with the twists. Gorgeous car. Got a Targa 911. And then moving on here, we've got a 911. Another 911. 944. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I follow you on YouTube.
Oh, sweet. Just gonna walk through here and show you guys the lineup. I'm just gonna start back here with this Cabrio Turbo S. Oh, that's a nice car. Wow. Very nice car. And the carbon wheels, gorgeous. Beautiful car. And then 996 Cabrio, GTS Cabrio, pretty sweet Outlaw with some mismatched panels, looking pretty rad. And then we've got silver Carrera S9971, Cayenne S Hybrid over here, a Zyklon Metallic, I want to say 944S, looks like it, the Cayman. Gonna participate, and here we go. There's a 993 Carrera in a Arctic silver, and then beautiful Arena Red Turbo 993, killing bugs fast as usual. Beautiful car. And then Panamera 4S. Let's keep cruising over here. I'll show you guys a little bit more. Everyone's just getting ready here. Another 993. This is a venturing green Carrera. Looks very nice. Got a Boxster, this Martini livery, also a 718 Boxster, GT3 RS with these striking white wheels. Carrera S. We've got a chalk GT3, beautiful Targa. And then this appears to be a Mexico Blue GT3. Very nice. Everyone's ready and staged on this beautiful, sunny, I guess, morning here in Mont-Tremblant. But look at this crowd, it looks amazing. So the GT3 race is about to start, so I'm gonna head back down to the paddocks there to get all suited up in work mode. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.
Yeah.